Hey, I want to make this video just informative. I use different dusting or this stuff for dusting. It's just a wood cleaner for clean surfaces, and I was making some up, and I figured I would just share what I do. So we all have empty butter containers, right? Yep. So what I do is I take, and this way I don't like to use up my rags, and get them dirty and disgusting, and then you get it on your other towels. But I get one of those paper towels. I fold it in three sections like that. I got one container already filled, and then I just lay them flat in there until it's filled up. And then I get the cleaning stuff that I want. I'm making one for the bathroom cleaning. I'm going to use one for dusting, which I labeled, and then the other one is going to be for the bathroom. So you basically saturate them in all the edges. Sometimes it takes a minute to soak it down, but gotta get on the edges of this. Edges of that one, because you don't want a half soaked rag. And then that way, instead of buying all those disinfectant things, you already have your cleaning product ready. And then you just keep going until it all soaks up, till you don't have any wet papers anymore. Flip it over. That's just what I do. I just thought I'd share that. I make these, and then it's easier, instead of using washcloths and then getting all the dust on them, and then either washing the dust down your drain or washing the dust in your laundry, So this is what they come out to be. And then I have it labeled saying wood dusting, whatever. And then I put that under my sink. And then I got one for the bathroom that I'm going to do as well. Just thought I'd share. Hope you have a good day.